Welcome to this video, how to use a Temu coupon bundle. If you get value from this video, drop a like onto it and let's just get into it. So the way that Temu coupon bundles work is that usually when you first create your account, whether that be on the website or the application, you normally get a bundle of coupons that you're able to use onto the store. Now the process of how to find these coupons is you can go to your profile icon and then you see an option here that says coupons and offers. So if you click onto that coupons and offers, this is going to list out all your available coupons that you do have and that they've given you in your account. As you can see, I don't have any available coupons, but basically you would take down the coupon name. So it's going to have a code. So copy the code of the coupon. And then basically you want to go back to the main page of Temu, browse around and add all the stuff to your cart, which you would like to buy. And then you want to go to your cart and then check out. So if you see, these are the random orders that I put into my cart. And now I need to select checkout. There is a 10 item minimum to be able to check out. And then I'm going to click on to checkout. So just keep that in mind. And as you can see, you need to enter in your shipping address. How do you want your shipping? So it's free shipping. And right here, it says enter a coupon code. In that box, you can now put in the coupon codes that Temu has given you. Then you'll be able to apply that by clicking onto apply. That will be applied and you'll get the discount applied to your order. And then that's basically how it works. So then you can just rinse and repeat that for as many coupon codes as the Temu did give you. Normally they can give you almost up to £100 or $100 worth of coupons, so it's well worth it. If this video helps you out, drop a like onto it and I'll see you in the next video.